maternal deaths in Karnataka is going serial, just like a serial. It's a bad message to the poor people of Karnataka. So more than 740 deaths happen in Karnataka. The Karnataka government not taken any serious action against drug mafia. The Karnataka government is in hands of drug mafia. So in the assembly also we demanded the CBI inquiry and judicial inquiry. Up to now there is no judicial inquiry happen in Karnataka. I think this government is with the mafia, medical mafia, drug mafia. Okay. We demanded death addict for the maternal deaths. So up to now, the report has not received. We demanded within a day they can give, but up to now they are not giving because of the fear of the people. So once again I demand the government. So I think Karnataka government is active with think. This I have to go to, Dinesh Gunrao told in assembly, I go to Delhi, I explained all the things to the Delhi government and the ministry. So up to now he not gone. Careless. So entire, I think, entire purchase of amount belongs to Karnataka only. Authority is Karnataka. Testing is Karnataka. Distribution point is Karnataka. Why they ask central government? There's nothing. 100% negligency of Karnataka government. That's why this deaths happening in Karnataka.
So what is the time period? Like 700, more than 700?
More than 467 substandard drugs. The Karnataka drug control one they announced. How can they purchase? This is that's why I am telling this government in the hands of drug mafia.